today I've decided to put on some fancy dress, and also I'm gonna do my makeup. First step, I'm gonna just use my lip balm first to moisturize my lips. Next up, I'm gonna use this Hydra Pro Glow from Kiko Milano. So after that, I'm gonna prime my face with this Marc Jacob primer. And the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna conceal my eye back. So this concealer is actually from Marc Jacob. I'm gonna conceal at my under eye. Okay, now once that's done, I'm gonna put on my foundation, and it is by Fenty. So next, I'm gonna use this Fenty foundation brush. So I'm gonna use this powder from Kiko Milano. I'm gonna proceed to contouring. It comes in like contour and highlighter pen, sort of. So yeah, it's from Nude Sticks. So next up, I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back with a
ugly brows.
Oh, for the brows, I was using this Silky Girl Expert Brow Slim. So I'm gonna conceal my brows. I'm making it worse. I suck at this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I give up with my brows. Or is it maybe because I haven't put on makeup for so long that I don't even recognize this face? I don't know.
I am ashamed to post this video online and show the whole world how ugly my brows are.
I'm just gonna move on to the next step. So I'm gonna use eyeshadow, and I have this Feeble 12 colors eyeshadow palette which I got from Shein. So I'm gonna start with this Desert Sand first. I'm gonna take this Royal color. Oh my god, Royal. I hate my eyebrow. Okay, so the next one, I'm gonna use this Primavera. And I'm just gonna take my brush again and blend. So I'm gonna take like a smaller brush on the same Primavera color, and I'm just gonna like put it on my under eye. Okay, so moving on to the next step, I'm gonna use this from Shein. It's the waterproof liquid eyeliner. Okay, that's a close-up of my eyeliner. I'm gonna use this Kiko waterproof mascara. So I'm gonna put bronzer, and I just recently bought the bronzer from Kiko Milano. Okay, so next up I'm gonna use blusher, and that is from Shein again. So it's called She Glam, and it's in number 201 Smoke Rose. So this is the color. It reminds me of the NARS Orgasm. I seriously have no idea what to say about this look. Maybe because I haven't been putting on makeup for like the longest time ever, so I kind of feel weird in this skin right now. So the next step I'm gonna use is this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. The last step I'm gonna do is put on my lipstick, and I'm using this nude stick lipstick, and it's called Mystic, and the color is like that. Oh, and not forgetting, I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter on my lips. That's about it, and I'm gonna let my hair down. Yes. Okay, so next I'm just gonna accessorize myself. So I think I'll go for this one. There you go. Okay, so I'm done, and this is my final look for this makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!